Hi, my name's Gary. My wife Tamara and I moved here to Central Florida about 2 years ago. We bought a house that was 20 years old. We wanted a consistent flooring, so we did what a lot of people do, and that's go out to a national floor company and bought some LVP and had a couple of handymen put it in. What we didn't realize is that there were a lot of prerequisites besides just picking out flooring, and one of them was to test moisture in the concrete. Pulled up one of the boards myself and it was a little wet. I was very alarmed, started doing some research, found Yeager. Jim Yeager came out to the house and said he sees this sort of thing every day. Unfortunately, it was an expensive mistake that we made by not hiring a professional flooring company. So I wish I would have known then what I know now. Yeager Flooring came in, they assessed the damage that we had, tore up the flooring, they did all the things that needed to be done, and we loved what they did. They did a beautiful job, very happy with them, and would highly recommend Yeager.